look at what. Ah! Let's do this together. Let's prepare this sumptuous meal together, okay? Baby, we are getting scent leaf here. We are getting scent leaf, fresh one. This is dry season. That's why all the scent leaf is looking this way. But at least we found one here. During dry season, it's always hard to see scent leaf. Hello, beautiful people. Today we'll be making sumptuous, delicious green banana. We call this unele. Some people call it metoke. So today we are going to be preparing it. So stay glued and do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's do this together. So the first thing is for us to do moche. Thank you. Let's do fast because we are having this for breakfast this morning. Can you not be shaking your hand too much? Okay guys, I'm adding the quantity of water that I'll be needing. Not too small, not too much. So this quantity will be enough. So I went ahead and placed it on the fire at this point. So guys, let's go ahead to start prepping all the ingredients that we'll be needing. Since the water is already on fire, before I add this green banana, which is unele, The water must boil, like it must boil very well. You don't need cold water while cooking it. So I'm already cutting the scent leaf. Then I'll set this one aside. Let me also cut the onions. I'm just getting ready of all the ingredients that I will be needing. Slicing the onions right now. Guys, look at what we have here. Star apple. Come, let's lick. Let's take this star apple together. Odala, we call it Odara in our own language. And also they call it Ogoloma. And we call it Odala here. So please, I would love to know what you call it in your own dialect. What do you people call it in your own side? Is it still Odala or what do you call it? Agwaloma. Oh, let's not pour my body. See how the inside is. Very nice. Come on, have some. You see the sweet, but the inside is flapping. My water is boiling. Let's done. Do the needful. Let's now put it dry. Oh, so can you see? Since the water have boiled, I'll start putting the unere. Then at this point, I also start adding the ingredients at once. Guys, let's add the ingredients. I'm coming. This udara is entering medulla. I'm coming. One more. Does that make sense? After I'll make out chewing gum out of this udara. Guys, let's go and cook. Let's cook. Oh yeah. At this point, everything is entering the fire. I added onions, scent leaf, I'm adding just 1 cube. Wait, let me add this thing first. I added my ogiri. At this point, I'm putting very well ogiri very well. You don't need more something because this is village food. Then I added one cube of Maggi, just one cube. A cube is enough. Don't need much. Added my salt. Then my oil. You see, in this cooking this food, you don't need much oil. So small oil is enough. Then I'll just go ahead and cover the pot. Then go back in licking my odala. It's still remaining. Then go back in licking my odala. Whew. Come and lick, guys. I'll pick this udala plenty today. Whoa! Our food is ready, guys. Can you see? Let's put it down. Okay, mommy, I'm coming. Woo. So, guys, let's dish it out. Let's dish out our food. Our sumptuous meal. Hey. If you like banana, like me, don't hesitate to join us. My mom wants to also eat. Don't hesitate to join us. Do not hesitate. Come and eat. I love the water so much. I don't joke with the water. Let me go and give money. Come and eat. Come and eat. Come and eat. Eat. Honestly. Yes, I don't balance. So I don't balance. Come and eat. Come and eat. Come and eat. Eat. Come and eat. Look at my dollar. I made unche from the odala. But let's eat food. This is so yummy. Mama is telling you for to stop eating sugary things and join me. This is so healthy, actually. Nice. It's hot. Hey. This is so nice. Come on, eat. It's nice. It's really good. Mommy, please. My mom in them is making me to laugh. Don't mind me. Come and eat. Hey, mommy. Na meat are for putting this thing to complete them. Na meat remain. But next time, may we do. Everybody is attesting to this delicious meal. Not I don't know when she go chop. I go remain for us. My is drama queen. Before my is cooking noodles. Let me show you before. Process of making noodles. Indomie gear. Minor kita, you see, Indomie gear. Is that possible? So try this once, like just try it, you will love it.